Look how the rocket moves across the surface of the milk, leaving colorful swirls behind as if its engines are firing. It looks like an intergalactic journey. Pour a thin layer of milk onto a plate and add drops of food coloring in different spots. If the coloring is too thick, you can dilute it with water. Apply liquid soap to the bottom part of the rocket on the underside, lower it onto the surface of the milk, and off it goes. The rocket moves and a colorful trail forms behind it, a true intergalactic flight. What's the secret? Milk contains fat. The soap reacts with the fat molecules, weakening the bonds between them and breaking down the surface tension of the milk. This creates currents, which we observe using the food coloring. These currents push the rocket and create incredible patterns. The more soap, the faster the flight. If the reaction stops, you can launch the next rocket with its soap-powered engine, because you'll want to do this experiment again and again. Physics can be beautiful and incredibly fascinating. If you enjoyed this experiment, give it a like.